Na.
Kami doon guys sa ba't ka na kasi ma? Diyan tayo sa Beijing House. Ay. Hanggang ano oras ba ito mag-ano? Alas 8, alas 8, ano oras na ba? Alas 7 pa? Kain kami guys. Kain mi guys. Yung ay yung ano mahal dumplings. Masarap na dumplings. Tingin mo na ako. Oo, ito yung ulam na guys. Ha? Kain pa po. Sombrero. Ha? Maraming sasawan na mo? Ano ba yun? Vinegar. Guest house. Yan din kinain niya. Hey guys, kaon na guys. Abang. Rest of it naman. Kaya ano yung sombrero kasi. Nakita yung abang. Ow! Tanong. Wala kang sauce dito?
Can I have your plate?
Yeah.
You want to keep your fork or are you fine? Okay, sure.
Thank you.
You're welcome. How about you? You do? Yes. Try some pizza there.
No.
Panguha na siya. You're until 8 only?
Yeah, until 8.
And
Friday, Saturday, until 9.
oh, and what time you open?
11.
11.
Yeah, we open 11 every day. Is it for you? Thank you very much. Have a good night.
Thank you. Ay, ko na. Ha? Are. Ayan na tayo. Ah, I'm too full. Ha? Ah, yun pala. Ang hindi libre lang ng drinks. tapos na kami kumain, guys. We're so full na, guys. Ito, nandito na. O, dyan kami kumain, oh. Beijing House. Bye na, guys. Out na kami, guys.